To news now in politics, opposition spokesman on energy Phillip Paulwell is promising that under People's National Party administration, the electricity rate will be cut by 30%. He's also outlined a plan to address electricity theft. Kimberly Petty has the details.
From US 40 cents per kilowatt hour to US 15 cents per kilowatt hour, that's the energy cut Energy Minister Phillip Paulwell is promising if the PNP wins the upcoming polls. Mr. Paulwell was speaking at a town hall meeting in Central St. James.
And I am so convinced, I am so enthused. That's the reason why I can come here and put my ideas on the line and to say to anybody, come and challenge me. Because while you might have been wasting time in government, in opposition, I've spent a lot of time studying and looking at what is happening in the world and understanding why it is possible.
On the issue of electricity theft,
the JPSCO has over 600,000 customers, homes. You're not going to believe this, but 200,000 of those homes don't pay electricity.
The Jamaican government sold its majority holdings in the JPS in 2001. Mr. Paulwell believes that the level of theft has increased since the company was privatized.
When the government ran the company, I told you that it was sold in 2001. At that time, the amount of theft was less than it is today. And people thought, well, you're going to bring in private sector, you're going to make the thing more efficient. The level of theft is greater due to large measure because people have gotten poorer.
He says 3 years ago he tabled in Parliament a plan to eliminate electricity theft, but it was ignored. He, however, believes once the issue is solved, customers' bills will automatically be reduced as many are paying for those who are stealing the light.
The government gets about $7 billion every year from this hedge tax that you pay. And that hedge tax is not used for anything to benefit you in terms of energy. We believe that that money should now be earmarked to solve the problem of electricity theft and to put up in these communities, poor communities, solar microgrids, utilizing the rooftops of
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.